1995 BMW 325i. It's pretty. What we got done on it for you guys. So it comes factory dual from the factory. Factory dual from the factory. That's pretty funny. From the factory. Did you know that? No. I didn't either. Then what we did is put a dual in single lock catalytic converter right there. Then 3-inch pipe all the way back into a DC Sport stainless steel muffler. We'll have a link in the description for the catalytic converter and the muffler for you guys. He wanted something sport. This is his toy. He said, I don't want it too loud, I don't want it too quiet, just enough. So we did just enough. He wanted a deep tone. So we did that. Look how pretty that is. It's pretty. And like always, guys, subscribe, comment, like, and definitely share this video if you like the sound. Oh, not bad. He's got to put a downpipe on it, turbos, all that good stuff. Wow. Again. That's nice. I like it. There's sound decibels. Go ahead. All right, go ahead and back it up. This is everything we cut off. There's the muffler and the two resonators. DC Universe, baby. Sport. You want to always go with a good quality muffler, especially when you go stainless steel. It's not bad. Let you guys hear on the inside. '95 BMW 325i.